What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what's in my bag. Karl Lagerfield bag. First, let's start with what's on my bag. So I always carry my keys on my purse to prevent myself from getting so anxious and like going through those negative feelings. I do small things and I do small rituals to make sure that I'm like keeping up with my things. I always have a hook like this on my keys, and then on my keys, as you can see, I just have my AirPod case. Everything has to be pink, purple, glitter, fun and cute. Okay, so and then I have my key to my vehicle, and then I have my actual keys here. I have my actual keys, and then I have this cute little keychain that I'm loving. We have my wallet. And inside of my wallet, I have like little pockets. And this is where I put money at that I'm spending for the week. My cute Sailor Moon wallet. Like this has some of my business cards. I have credit cards in here. I have health insurance cards in here. And I have any membership card. I have a jar of Vaseline. We can't have the crusties, okay? We can't be up in somebody's face with the crusties. So I just have like some smell good lotion, like some Bath and Body Works lotion, and then I mix olive oil in this because I do have kind of like dry skin. Fart spray, okay? And this is Bath and Body Works. I call this fart spray, but this is called condensed room spray. Now, I call this fart spray for two reasons. When other people fart, okay, and when I fart. And this scent is strawberry pound cake. This is actually my key card for work. As you guys can see, I have a cute little boba keychain on it. Everything I have has to be cute. Those are the type of things that makes me happy. Random receipts in here. We're just going to put those to the side. I also have some pain pills in case I get a headache. A bedazzled, I think this is called a bling pen. I got this from a fellow budgeter on YouTube. Her name is Black and Blue. She blings out a lot of different things. But how cute is this? Like, yeah. Ooh, I forgot I had this, y'all. I got hot sausage. My favorite lip oil right now. This is the Lip Glow Oil by Dior. And this is the color, I can't read the name, but it's 007. This is literally my favorite go-to lippy right now. It's super moisturizing and it's not sticky. This is around $40. I believe it's like $40. I also have some Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. So this is for my press-on girlies. Y'all, this is the best glue. I want y'all to take a screenshot of that. This is the best glue ever to wear for your press-on nails. You will literally be able to keep your nails on for 2 weeks plus, okay? I need to do a sponsorship for Maximum Kiss. Look, we here, Kiss. Come on. Let's do a deal. Let's do a brand deal. The best nail glue on the market, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. So this is an oldie, but definitely a goodie. My twin sister told me about this maybe like 10 years ago. And I have really, really dry cuticles. Ever since I've been a child, I've had a very traumatic childhood. So I used to have really bad anxiety and I used to bite my fingernails and I used to bite the skin all around my fingers. Been putting the cuticle stuff on my nails and they looking a lot better. They don't look too dry. I mean, my pointer finger, you know, it looks a little crazy. But for the most part, it's really more. Then I just have a random hair tie, you know what I'm saying? You never know, somebody might pull up and be like, I thought you said that you said that I said what? That I said what? What I say? What I say? Nah, I'm just joking. Just in case I need to pull my hair back, you never know, it worked. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more content like this, give this video a great big like. Also, comment below and let me know what do you have in your bag. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.